Hey there. Welcome to your daily Elephant Wisdom for February 3rd, 2022. Let's jump right in and take a look at Bitcoin. Today we'll go over some higher time frame daily and monthly charts. We'll look at a couple of past RSI and price levels which proved important, and we'll compare those to where we are today. So let's get to it. We're going to start with the weekly, and let's go ahead and zoom out a little. Currently, the RSI is just over 38.5, which is a tick up from the low this year on January 17th of 37.61. And that correlated with our price low of around $33,000, which is right here around the orange line. Let's go back. We'll take a look at a couple of other events where the RSI levels bottomed and marked significant moves to the upside for us. On July 12th, 2021, RSI hit 41.97, and that marked the $30,000 bottom, which ran to the $69,000 top, which, funny enough, peaked with an RSI right around 69 as well. So just kind of coincidental and funny, but that was a 16-week move with the price action up about 2.3 times. If we take a look back at March of 2020, good old COVID move, that RSI was at 33.48, and that preceded the run up from $4,000 to $42,000 on January 4th of 2021. That was a 34-week move at about 10.5 times right there. And again, that marked that low of around 33.48. And if we go one more example back, this is back in 2018, the RSI was a tick under 30, about 29.07, and that marked the move from just over 3,000 up to $14,000 on June 24th, 2019. So somewhere right around here. And that was about a 4.5 times move. We can also, if we look down here at the RSI, we can see the orange uptrend line, and we can see we started it on the 2018 move. It supports our 2020 move. It supports the 2021 move. But now on the weekly, we see it has broken down, and now it's proving to be resistance. So this is definitely a cause for concern today and something to keep a close eye on moving forward. But it's not great that broke that trend line for the last 3 to 4 years. All right, let's take a quick look at the daily here. And we'll sort of see the corresponding moves that we just talked about on the weekly. They play out a little bit different. RSI levels much lower, as we will see. Currently, we are at an RSI of 34.5. On January 21 of this year, the RSI was down between 20 and 22, which marked our most recent $33,000 bottom. Once again, this orange line here. If we scan back to May 23rd of 2021, here, that was an RSI at 26.98, which marked the $30,000 bottom, preceding the run up to our $69,000 top. And if we scan back to our 2020 move, now we're seeing some crazy levels here. Our RSI was down at 15.62 on March 12th, preceding the big $4,000 to $42,000 move that culminated in January there, or right here, sorry. So from here to here, we see that RSI really popping. So again, we're looking to trade sort of the extremes of our RSI charts. The middle, it's just tough to go. If we go all the way again back to 2018, now we see the RSI ranging for a 12-day span from November 15th to November 27th back in 2018. It was from 9.49 was a low, and it stayed under 20 for 12 straight days. And that preceded the jump from 4,000 to 14,000, kind of right here. So these RSI levels are at the lower end at the moment on both the daily and the weekly, but it hasn't yet hit the lowest levels, which have signified bottoms that we've seen in the past. Not that it has to, of course, but it's one reason to believe we may test a bit lower again before the rise. I would be very surprised, and I do expect this $33,000 level to be tested at least once more. And that would probably signify our RSI going down into the lower 30s, which again, historically tells us that would be go time. We're going to kind of get into some positions there, dollar cost in, or go actually pretty hard in at that point, and just hope we're on the right side of it. But I do expect this 33 to be tested again, and I do expect these RSI levels to come down a little lower. Not that they have to, but that's what we're looking for and watching going forward. Okay, that's a few levels to watch, and this is your Elephant Wisdom signing off.